state health officials say they have found no trace of petroleum in the Navy's water system, despite 12 recent complaints from customers. DOH inspectors visited homes last Thursday and say they found no sheen in the water and no odor. On-site testing also found nothing wrong, but the Navy took samples for further testing with the DOH. So far, more than 22 million gallons of jet fuel have been drained from Red Hill. A man was hospitalized for his burns from a brush fire in Kula. MFD crews got the call around 11:30 yesterday morning to an area of Pulehu Nui Road. It was windy at the time as a strong Kona wind of about 20 miles per hour created some challenges for firefighters. They were able to get it under control in about half an hour after it burned about 1 acre of land. It's thought that it started after a car's exhaust made contact with dry brush. The 30-year-old victim suffered burns to his legs and was taken to Maui Memorial Medical Center for care. Meanwhile, the Army Corps of Engineers has begun its cleanup process in Kula from the August fires. Contractors are assessing 26 burned properties for hazards such as toxic household and asbestos materials. We're told that each property takes up to 3 days to inspect.
Some of the homes that are damaged are right next to a gulch, or the method of the way to attain access to the property. Some of those properties may have to have a road built in order to get access or gain access to them based on their location.
The actual removal of debris starts in about 2 weeks. A start date for the assessment work in Lahaina, though, that has not yet been announced. American Medical Response will keep operating ambulances in Kauai and Maui counties, at least for now. The Department of Health says that it will extend AMR's contract past its December expiration date. Now, this comes 2 months after the state decided to replace AMR with Falk, giving the Danish company $90 million in contracts. AMR protested, citing Falk's poor customer service record, and that deal was suspended. Now the state says that it will restart the procurement process. In a statement released yesterday, Falk said in part, quote, "While we are disappointed by today's decision, they look forward to reviewing the Department of Health's new requests for proposal."
As far as the next 7 days, the weather's not going to be changing very much. Yes, it's going to be a bit wet today, especially for Maui County and for parts of Oahu. Drier conditions tomorrow as that front dissipates. But the light winds and the humid conditions will hover around for the rest of the work week. It's going to be quite sticky through Friday, and then trade winds come back, lower humidity levels due by Saturday.
This See It Now digital news brief is sponsored by Long's Drugs, bringing our heart to every moment.